Guys, we did it. 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're rich. We're filthy rich. I can quit my day job now. What is up, guys? Back with another video, and I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. We finally hit that beginning goal that every YouTuber has in hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We hit it, I think, right before this past weekend. We had that video. If you watched our last video, we went to a show in Greensboro. We had that going on, so we didn't really, I wanted to get that video out and get all that stuff edited. And I mentioned that we hit 1,000 subscribers in that video. We were super busy to be able to do anything special for right when that happened. So I just wanted to come on here, do this video, and tell you what happens when you hit 1,000 subscribers. First, I want to talk to you about how we got here and how we got started. And a lot of it starts with this bike right over here. So in 2018, late 2018, after we picked this bike up brand new, we started this channel, we started the Wretched Clothing Company, and we did all this because I felt like there was a gap in the market and I wanted to do certain things, live a certain life, and just change a bunch of different things about myself. Looking back, it feels like it's been an eternity and almost no time at all at the same time. It's kind of crazy. But we picked that bike up, we started doing vlogs, we started doing different things, and I had no idea where anything was going to go. I just know I needed to do something, and it's not one of those things where I sat down and had a plan. I just learned by doing, and when I failed, I changed things up, but way more failure than success, and we had to change a lot of things up. So after having some time to learn a lot of things, and we had some decent success with the clothing company. We weren't one of the first to do this, but a lot of the companies that are killing it now, we've been around as long as they have, or even before a lot of those. I just made more mistakes, and I didn't come from any background whatsoever. I just decided I'm going to do this. If I have to learn everything the hard way, so be it. We're gonna do it, and we're doing it. I'm pretty happy so far. We're getting things out there. We're doing stuff, and then we were doing a lot of moto vlogs. We're doing a lot of different things, trying to see what caught, trying to see what I even wanted to watch. And the biggest learning curve was trying to learn how to market even the videos. It's really hard to get those videos out, but we made it happen. We got it going, and we were definitely clicking up on a pace. But we went to California and back, and two terrible things happened for the brand. Right before we went to California, our Instagram got hacked, and I tried like hell to get it back, but I couldn't. And I had that realization that I might quit this and, everything. And I just decided, no, we're not going to do that. I couldn't get the account back, but we started new. We told as many people as we could, tried to get the other account just deleted since I no longer had control over it. I don't see a lot of that happening now, but that was back when Instagram accounts were getting hacked like crazy all the time. It doesn't look like that happens anymore, thankfully. But yeah, we definitely lost that, and that sucked really hard. And then we had this great trip to California and back with my wife and my parents on the bike. 2 weeks, made this trip, did a lot of filming, still kind of moto vlog style. But we ran into so much rain, and I tried my best to protect some of the GoPros. My regular GoPro I used for the filming on the helmet, that just completely died. I tried to get it back, but it just didn't work. And even though the GoPro I'm still filming on today did not die, I was able to protect that. All the SD cards I was using basically got wiped. They got messed up. All the files were like corrupted. There just wasn't anything I can do. I had a little bit of footage that I did on my phone for like TikTok, but that was more like updates along the way and stuff we saw like in person. It wasn't really much riding. It was okay, but that bummed me out terribly. And I just stopped YouTube for a while. I was just like, man, I don't want to buy any more of this equipment. I'm not making any money off this stuff. Just having a good time. And it kind of broke me down. But I'm trying to take this brand into another light, trying to do better. And I found a lot more creative things to do, a lot more things to push the brand out in the YouTube space. I started doing YouTube shorts and saw what a massive tool that is to get your name out there. So I picked the camera back up. I changed my recording style a little bit, so it's not just somebody sitting on a bike riding around and just talking. I've watched different videos and liked the way different things go. I try to be real personal, and the production value might not be super high, but what I am is what you get. I don't put on a facade. I don't do all those things, and I think everyone kind of appreciates it. So now in 2024, I hope to have a big year because it is the first year I purchased an actual vehicle for the brand, specifically for that. I just did a show this past weekend that I told you about. The canopy for the back of the truck back here was not in and able to be installed in time, so we had to use old crusty Rusty back there. But this truck should be good to go for the show in Wisconsin, which I hope it is, because the weather is going to be mighty frightful. But riding in this truck will be most delightful. But we do have a video that we're going to do on all the things this truck needs to be show ready for that, and we will get to that. But 2024 hopefully will be a good year, because man, have I spent some money. So to answer today's question, what happens when you hit 1,000 subscribers? That's like the benchmark to become a professional YouTuber, right? You have to like hit these marks so you can become a professional YouTuber and get out there and be paid to make these videos, right? So what happens when you hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? Well, for me, nothing happens. While I appreciate every single one of you, it doesn't automatically change anything on the YouTube landscape. You have other metrics you have to hit. I wasn't actually necessarily going for the subscriber count right now. What I need is watch time, and I have hurt myself time and time again by taking breaks from YouTube, and my view count or my watch time, like hours, is pretty low, and I need to get that up. So I'm trying to upload every week a full-length video. I'll do shorts from time to time, but full-length video once a week, just to show you guys what's going on. And we have to hit 3,000 watch hours in a year for me to be able to tag products in the videos. I think it's 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. And that would be very helpful for the brand, for the company, because a lot of times I'm talking about some of the products, some of our products, but I can tell you the description in below to go check out our website, whatnot, wretchedclothing.com, but I can't show you a little snippet of the product. I can't tag an actual product. Like right now, I'm wearing our Supply hoodie. If I was making this video, I could just tag the Supply hoodie. This past weekend at the show, we haven't even released them online yet, but we had our rain jackets and our bar bags. Once I get them on the website, I could go back and have them there. So when you see a product and you like it, you can ask a question about it and you can get it right on, the YouTube video. And it's not out here to just try to get money for you guys, but there's, everyone always looks up videos on certain products and see if they like it or not, and get an in-depth view, and they'll be able to buy them. I mean, I know I review a lot of products, and hopefully once we get this unlocked for our business, we'll do more in-depth product reviews so you can see exactly what you're getting And it's a whole lot better than just going to the website, having a few pictures and a description. You can really see it. That is like the next step for our business. Now, as far as getting paid like ad revenue for the account, while that's hopefully one day going to happen, we have 1,000 subscribers now, but we need 4,000 watch hours, which once we get to 3,000, I'm sure 4,000 will be right behind it. I think it's 4,000, maybe 5,000. Can't quite remember. My goal is to hit 3,000 so I can link products. But yeah, so in the short of it, nothing really happens right when you hit that 1,000 subscriber count. It's a great goal. It tells me that my growth has been going, it's got a nice arc, so I've been doing really good. The curve is constantly going up. It seems like you guys are liking the videos. I would love for you guys to comment more and see like if things need to be tweaked, because I'm looking at everything through like rose-colored glasses. I either think something's really good or something's really bad. I usually don't see it through a subjective view. So I got a comment the other day about the intro being a little too loud. So hopefully on this video that'll be fixed. I'll dial it down and check the volume levels from different aspects. But I appreciate all the feedback. If you don't mind, hit that like button. Comment down below something about this video. What do you think about us hitting 1,000 subscribers? Again, super thank you. And if you've been in that situation, what do you think would have happened? But comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But as always, keep it wretched.